Hi guys, I'm Jobel Ann and welcome back to my channel. So, yeah, as you can see, nakikita niyo naman ang pagmumukha ko dahil I'm going to show you what's inside my bag as a high school student. Yeah, I'm letting you to see what's really inside my bag. So, if you want to know what's in my bag, just keep watching. So, yun nga guys, nandito na ako ulit at hawak ko na ngayon ng aking bag. So, definitely, I'm a high school student. So, yeah, we would know what's inside my bag. It's a high school edition bag. So, first of all, my bag is from Celine. It has two side pockets there and it has a small pocket in front. So, let's start knowing what's inside it. So, first, what I have here is my clear book. Yeah, I store all my important files or important papers that I still need. So definitely I always brought this one. Next, I do have my wallet. It's from Michaela. So what's inside this wallet is money, yeah, cards. Yeah, there is. I do have my cards there. And definitely, I always bring my pictures 2 by 2 and 1 by 1. We actually need those so that we would be prepared always. So, yeah, that's definitely what's inside it. And then next, what I have here is my umbrella. I always brought this one kasi summer night, sobrang init. So, we don't want to burn our skin or, yeah, there. Next, I have always brought my perfume so that lagi tayong mabango on the go. Like, whenever saan man tayo pumunta, mabango tayo. So, yeah. So, for my perfume, I'm using the Body Fantasy Signature. It's Japanese Cherry Blossom, the violet one. Yeah. Next, I always brought this book. If I do have a free time, I always read this one. And I'm actually on the page 200. So, yeah, it's The Girl on the Train by Paula Hawkins. Next, what I have here is my connector or charger actually. This one. So I always brought this one whenever I think that I'm going to need my phone like 24 hours, like, yeah, definitely all day. Yun. So yun nga. Next, I have here my notebook. Since we do have the files, we have like whatever we needed, we always need notebook for our notes, like there. I always write. Yeah. Next, we do have the papers that I think I still need, but I don't store it in my clear book because I think it's not necessary anymore. It's like patapon na rin naman siya, pero I still uh, save it in my bag. And definitely, since we are girls, we always have like napkins. Yeah, but I'm not going to show you what's in my napkin. And next, we do have tissues like for emergency purposes. And yeah, that's next. So here, I have here my pouch. Yeah, my Kikai pouch. So let's see what's inside my pouch. I'm before that, I just want to show you that it's really cute. Like the design is like glitters. Then on the upper part is definitely like different colors. Yeah, you can see like pink, green, whatever. Yeah. So this is what I always brought in my school. So first I do have a comb. Yeah, for our hair. Next we do have sunblock. Yeah, for my face. I only use this for my face so that kasi minsan even though I've always brought my umbrella, I'm so lazy to open up. Like, open mo na lang siya, then papayong ka na lang. Tatamarin ka pa. So, nagsa-sunblock ako para kahit di ako magpayong, at least protected yung face ko. And I also have petroleum jelly so that my lips would stay moisturized. We don't want the choppy lips. Like girls, diba? I know you agree with me. Like you don't want to have a chocolate. Next, what I have here is an alcohol, but it's empty already. Yeah. Not yet. Ko siya na-refill, but we really need to. Next, we do have a baby powder, small baby powder, like for always on the go. And I do have two lipsticks. It's a two different shades. It's kind of nude. The MAC one is a nude pink. Then this one is a nude brown. Like you can see colors. Yeah, I always brought this for emergency purposes. So that we will stay look pretty always. Then sometimes when I don't want to use my lipstick, I use my lip tint. It's from Etude House. I know it's from Tony Moly. Tony Moly. It's red, really red, and I rarely use that one. Next, I have here my lip gloss. It's from For Me. Yeah, it's definitely cute. It's really small. Like you could always put it in your pocket, so that when you have a matte lipstick and then you do want to have like shiny lips, you could definitely use this one. And look, it's really cute. It's like you could always do like that, like that. And lastly, what I have here in my pocket is my little perfume. Actually, it's a sample perfume that I get from Pen Shop. I always brought this one because whenever I run off my perfume, it's actually almost to the end. Malapit siya maubos. So, feel ko kasi malapit pag naubusan ako ng perfume, at least may extra ako dito na kahit maliit man lang, at least mabango tayo. And it's actually from Pen Shop. I get this one because I brought a pants. Then they do have a free sample perfume. And it's really mabango siya. So, I think that's all for my pouch. It's empty now. It's now empty. So, next. Oh, I get it from BYS pala. It's really cute. And you could also use this like makeup pug. Yeah. Next, I have here my pencil. Yeah. Here, I do have a plastic and a tissue inside. Like, yeah. So, you thought that it's this kind of trash, but it's not a trash because, since I'm a high school and then I always brought my bowl, I don't want to buy in the canteen or in the concessionaire. I put my baon in here. Lalo na yung mga foods na medyo oily siya, like nakaside siya, nakalagay sa bag. Then, pag natapon siya, we don't want to have a messy bag. Like, ang baon ng bag mo dahil sa oil ng foods na hindi ka ayang amoy. So, yeah, I definitely always practice one. So, what's next? So, I think that's already inside my bag. So, let's go with the front pouch. So first, even though I have a wallet, I also brought my current purse that I bought from Miniso. It's pink, actually. Pink. Yeah, my favorite color is pink. Next, ball pen. Yeah, I'm using a G-Tech pala. Since we do have a pencil, I always brought my eraser and my sharpener. Sharpener, actually. Yeah. These two always match with my pencil. Lastly, I do have a headband. This kind of headband, then a ponytail. And that's what's in my front pouch. Next, on the side pocket is that I do have my earphones. I always brought this one. I love music. So, yeah. And lastly, I have my necktie for school and my ID. So, yeah. So, I think that's all for what's in my bag. So, I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, please click the like button and share it with your friends. And also, don't forget to comment down below kung anong thoughts niyo about sa video na to. And kung ano pang gusto niyo makitang video na ipopost ko next week or next week or whatever. Basta makapag-post ako. And kung di pa kayo nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click the subscribe button here and don't forget to click the notification bell if you wanted to be updated for the videos that I posted every week. So, yun lang guys. So, thank you for watching. See you soon on my next video. Bye-bye!